I'm Nyakallo Dlambulo, the Director responsible for Ferrous Metals Desk Industrial Development. We're at the Department of Trade, Industry and Competition.
Why does industrial decarbonization matter to us as South Africa? Global climate commitments and trade measures continue to reshape industrial competitiveness. Trade measures like the CBAM directly affect our steel sector, which is amongst those hard to abate sectors like your aluminium, steel. And this actually affects our export competitiveness. So we need to ensure that as we are moving along this path of decarbonization, we do the transition in a manner that does not deindustrialize our economy.
Overall, the key central theme has always been coordination and collaboration of all the relevant stakeholders, particularly your industry, labor, and the governments around the globe.
We already have multiple initiatives underway, but all of these actually require that we converge around implementation, investment mobilization, and industrial coordination. We have the recently adopted cabinet-approved industrial development strategy. I am so happy that this conference is actually happening after the adoption. We also have the Public Procurement Act, which was passed by the President in 2024, which the regulations are still under comment.
We are ready as South Africa. We have so much to showcase. We have the mineral potential, we have the technical skills, we have the capacity and industrial capacity and capabilities. So we are actually very excited of the possible opportunities. All that is needed is for us to action all these